Today I'm going to explain why you should protect your retirement money and how to do it. We're going to discuss investment strategies that you may or may not be using. We're going to look at bear markets, and we're going to discuss the importance of uncorrelated assets. If we haven't met yet, I'm Adam Vernon. I'm an investment advisor representative with Vernon Management Group. We're an investment advisor firm. Okay, so now I want to ask you a question. Do you have an investment strategy that has safeguards to protect your retirement money? A lot of people have a financial plan, which is helpful because it tells you the rate of return you need to make in order to achieve your retirement and investment goals. But it doesn't tell you how to make that return. You need an investment plan to put your financial plan into action. Most people use a buy and hold strategy, and a buy and hold strategy can be risky when you start approaching retirement. For example, last year, equities were down, treasuries were down, and gold was flat. Now let's look at some examples of big market drops that have happened in the past. Okay, so here's a chart of the S&P 500 drawdowns. So I want to start with the 1987 crash where the S&P 500 dropped 30%. Okay, now let's go over to the dot-com crash that started in 2000. So it starts in 2000 at its max drawdown. It's down 50.5%. And it takes until up here 2007 to recover. But what I want to emphasize is immediately after we enter the subprime crisis that has a max drawdown of 57.6%, and it doesn't recover almost until mid 2013. So if you're doing a buy and hold strategy, what I want to emphasize here is you're losing a lot of time. So as I said, the dot-com starts in 2000, it doesn't recover until 2007. Then the subprime crisis starts, and that doesn't recover until 2013. So that's a 13-year period where you're not making any profit from your investment of the S&P 500 if you're doing a buy and hold. Then over here we have the COVID correction. The market dropped 19.6% very quickly, and then we have the inflation crisis that is still ongoing, and for 2022 it dropped 25.58%. Okay, so you might be asking yourself, if I don't use a buy and hold strategy, then what do I do? Well, one option is investing in uncorrelated assets and using trendline analysis. Uncorrelated means that the investments do not always react to each other's movements. So if one investment drops, the others don't automatically drop as well. Secondly, trendline analysis means that you follow the trends of the investments based on historical data that helps you decide what to own and what not to own. This is going to help to minimize your exposure to the major drops in the market and help to protect your retirement money. Investing is really dependent on your personal situation, so before you do anything, please consult a financial advisor. If you enjoyed today's video, leave a like, subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks.